Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up your Panasonic Toughbook for the first time. And to do this, you'll start with a language and choose your favorite language. Next thing is a region, and we have it right here. Then select the region that you occupy. In this case, let's go for Poland. And say yes. Then pick your keyboard layout, and I'm gonna go for, again, maybe there's a Polish one. Let's go for programmer, yes. Do you want to add a second keyboard? You can add it with different layout by clicking on the button right here, or skip it. Now we need to connect our tablet to the internet. You can also go with I don't have internet, but in this case let's actually connect. Next thing, after a long loading, we'll be able to accept the Windows 10 license agreement. So let's do that. How would you like to set up your device, with personal use or for organization? I'm gonna go with personal use and click on the next. Here we can add any Microsoft account, and I think there's no way there is, you can use offline account, and let's do that. If you want to log in, of course you can do that, and sign in to enjoy the full range of Microsoft apps and services. Limited experience, let's go with that. Now we can name our PC, let's call it Hard, and go to the next step, and a password for our device. Let's go with next. Maybe we can skip the password. Yep, if you want to enter password, you can do that there, but if you leave it empty, there won't be any password set on this device. Let Microsoft and apps use your location. Let's go with no. And only required diagnostics. No. If you want to accept any of this, you can do this. I'm here just to show you how to get this device on very quickly. Let's customize your experience, skip. And right here, the setup is finished. You can begin customizing or using this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.